Meaning of home run.
Home run.
Home run.
Home run.
Home run. A home run is a term used in baseball to describe when a batter successfully hits the ball and is able to score by running around all four bases, thereby touching each base without being tagged out. It is considered an impressive feat because it requires a combination of power, accuracy, and timing. Home runs are often highly celebrated by fans and players alike and can significantly impact the outcome of a game. The term can also be used more broadly to describe any successful or impressive achievement or accomplishment, not just in baseball.